Alright, Gunner's Garage here. We're getting the snowmobile started. Odell showed up to talk about any cars with a 50-year-old. You might have to. It wasn't super full. You might have to. Yeah, pretty sure so. Alright, it's good though. So we got enough. Because here is the ignition coil that goes to the spark plug, where the wires are just completely apart. So we're gonna rewire that.
Drift build.
Drift build.
I'll have to tell you later.
What?
My cousin has an S14 L1 swap.
Dude, that's what we're gonna do.
I know.
Dude, except we're not having.
I didn't even know he was my cousin too. I was like, shit.
We're gonna have a badass.
I didn't even know.
Carburetor.
You've been spraying up rust.
Dude, man.
Let's put this on the Hyundai. Exhaust.
Yeah, let's put this exhaust on. Whose Honda? Who has a Honda now?
No, Hyundai.
Oh, on your mom's car? Oh, she'd be pissed. Okay, let's give her a rip.
Oh, no way. Put some dick into it.
Oh, that does not sound promising.
You want me to give her a rip? The seat mold.
What?
Seat mold.
What about it?
We
I
both
buy
do
it. You buy it?
Yeah. We're this is normal. Oh, there we go. It's like a little forced in here.
Looks like a baby deer popped in.
Hello, I am the baby deer from the Yamaha.
Oh, dude, what is that? That is an animal.
No, it's not.
That's a creature.
No, it's not. Is it? I kind of want a rat to come out.
Probably used to be.
Used to be.
Right.
Must update Gunner's garage.
Oh yeah.
Gunner took a break from working on his gay ass snowmobile. Then we went drifting, and now there's something.
There's a rock or something in the heat unit, I think.
Then we'll insert video here.
Alright, here we are back at Justin's garage.
Again, my brother lost all the tools.
With the,
So we got a Glock 40.
hold on. Let's show him what it is. Let us zoom in. Alright, we got 3/8 drive ratchet leading into a 3/8 drive short extension.
To a fourth.
Into a 3/8 to a 4th adapter. You know, 1/4 inch drive extension into a 1/4 inch drive socket.
It's gonna snap. It's not gonna work.
To take off one old bolt in some plastic. You got this, Justin.
I hate you.
Worked pretty well, if you ask me. Oh. And we're taking out these bolts on the airbox so that we can move it out of the way and keep this very functional heat shield out of the way so we can have a hotter engine bay so that when we're drifting we get more horsepower.
Insert drift fail video here.
People want us to be more in-depth with these videos, so I think I already described it though, so
We're taking off 3
14
millimeter
12 millimeter bolts
to get off the
that
manifold heat shield.
to move the airbox to take off the exhaust manifold.
And we need to talk louder.
Yeah. And
Is that loud enough?
Yeah, and
Miata guy?
We need to introduce everyone.
I'm Justin.
That's Justin. I'm Gunner.
This is Gunner's garage. Okay.
How'd you grab your flathead?
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Pretty slow.
Flathead?
Yeah.
Okay. With a rusty but trusty. Oh, you got it.
Yeah. God. This is such shit.
Before. Some bullshit. I swear to God.
That shit comes.
Dude. Can you get me to hold your airbox up? Is this still bolted on?
Oh, it's not
Dude. Fuck it. Throw it on the fucking ground. Piece of shit.
hurt, dude.
Walk it off. Walk it off. Sorry for the poor advice. Justin?
No one's gonna care. So we never recorded the exhaust I put on. It's like a Manzo catback. It was like 200 bucks. It says 6 to 12 horsepower, but we probably got 0.
Maybe even less.
Yeah, it was direct bolt on, but it wasn't really direct bolt on. Because we had to saw off this little brace that goes from here to here. There was a brace, but the resonator's in the way, so we had to cut it off.
Just touch that shit?
Yeah, it's not that hot.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, do you think there's a leak? Oh, let me feel for a leak. Hold it.
Not a little bit. I think way up there.
Yeah.
I don't think in here.
So, it leaks exhaust a little bit.
So if you ever buy a bolt-on catback, take off this brace first. You'll save yourself 5,000 years.
Exhaust gaskets, too.
Yeah.
That'll be good, too. You don't want exhaust leaks, because the back pressure isn't that good. It's pretty fucking weak.
It's not bad though.
Yeah. Yep. Fuck with me, Danville.